proximity sensor is a sensor able to detect the presence of nearby objects without any physical contact. A proximity sensor often emits an electromagnetic field or a beam of electromagnetic radiation, infrared for instance, and looks for changes in the field or return signal. The object being sensed is often referred to as the proximity sensor's target. Depending on the proximity sensor targets, different sensors may be used. For example, an inductive proximity sensor requires a metal target, whereas a capacitive photoelectric sensor may be suitable for a plastic target. Proximity sensors have a long functional life and high reliability due to the absence of mechanical parts and the lack of physical contact between the sensor and the target. A proximity sensor that is adjusted to a very short range can often be used as a touch switch. Proximity sensors are commonly used in industrial applications, from manufacturing and food production to recycling. They are also used in vehicles for detecting the proximity of other vehicles relative to one's own car, as well as for parking assist functions. In mobile devices, especially phones, the proximity sensor is used to detect whether a user's face is close to the phone during a phone call, prompting the screen to turn off to prevent false touches on the touchscreen. Stay tuned to Galco TV for more tech tips, and be sure to visit galco.com to view our full product catalog.